Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you these two different styles of greeting card for Valentine's Day, and these are Kirigami heart shaped cards. The background is completely hand cut and this is a endless shaker card, and here is another card which is heart shaped shaker card. Everything is hand cut and handmade, so let's get started. So I'm starting with my first card. Here I'm taking the card base which measures 12 by 15 centimeters, and I'm going to color it with distress oxide inks, but if you don't have these inks you can also use watercolor to make your background. Now here I'm taking inks related to the Valentine's Day like reds, pinks, orange, and using my blending brush I am covering whole page by applying these inks one by one, and I am blending each shade very well with each other. So this is done. Allow it to dry for some time, and it's dried. Now I'm just splashing some water spots here using wet brush, and now the distress ink will create the magic on this. The portion which got water drops will fade the ink, and can you see the beautiful white color droplets on our paper? In this way you can make your own pattern papers. So this is done. Now I'm just taking one rough paper, folding it in half and making two heart templates, one in smaller size and one in little bigger size. So these hearts are 1 centimeters and 1.5 centimeters. Now I'm just cutting it using scissors. So here we have the template of these hearts ready with us. Okay, now take back your card base, and from back side I will start drawing the hearts using the template which we have created. So using the pencil, just trace these hearts randomly and cover the whole base using both the heart shapes. And this is done. Now take the cutting mat in the bottom and any sharp paper cutter and start cutting these hearts one by one slowly. Do it very carefully. You have to cut exact heart shape, and we want the inner heart as well. So while cutting this you have to be very careful. Just run your paper cutter on the pencil line only. And this is done. Can you see the heart? Very beautiful. We will use this for another card. And our first Kirigami heart cutting is done. In the same way, I will cut the remaining hearts. So just complete this, and this is done. Isn't it looking very pretty, like a die cut out background? Now here I am taking the mount board strip. I have just joined two strips together, and this is approx 0.5 centimeter strip, and I am connecting this with all the sides of the heart cutout base. And if it is looking from another side, don't worry, because we are going to add pattern paper frame from front. Similarly, just fill all the gaps using these mount board strips. I am adding these strips here because I am going to make infinity shaker card. Infinity shaker card means we will have the shaker elements all over the base. So this is done. Now I'm adding some strips in between the hearts as well, so that it will not get bumpy from center. It should have the even height all over the card. And this is done. Now here from outside on all four edges, I have connected double-sided tacky tape. So I'm just removing the liner, and first I'm going to stick one piece of acetate sheet on top of this. It will give very nice shine to your card. Can you see the shine? And now I'm just cutting the excess acetate sheet from all four sides. And then I'm going to fill my infinity shaker base using some different flower pearls like white, pink, also adding some heart shaped sequences and adding some shimmer powder. So this is done. Now just add glue on each mount board strip. And then I am covering it with the pattern paper like this. Just rub it properly from all the sides using bone folder. And our infinity shaker card is ready. Very pretty. Then on top of the card again I have added red tacky tape from all four sides on the edge. I am removing the liner of one side first, then adding one pattern paper frame here. This frame is having 1 centimeter width, and then I am removing the remaining liners and sticking it with the base. Like this. Then I am taking the card base which measures 24 by 15 centimeters. I have just folded this in half, and inside this I have added the pattern paper. Now I am going to stick my infinity shaker card on our card base. This is done. Now here I am adding the sentiment in the empty space where there are little less hearts, and I am adding the sentiment with love. Here I am using this beautiful frame die, but you can also just write any sentiment on the pattern paper and simply adhere it with the base. And then I am adding some heart shaped sequences here and there using glue. So the first card is ready. Now I am proceeding to the second card. So again I am taking my rough paper, and this time I am going to cut the big size heart to create the template. This heart is approx 6 centimeters in height, and now I am going to stick these small hearts which we have got from our Kirigami cutting procedure, and I am just going to stick these hearts on the white heart base randomly and just covering whole surface. Then start sticking these hearts one by one using glue. And this is done. Then here I have added double-sided foam tape all around the edge of the heart to make the shaker card. And then I am filling this heart also using some shaker elements, just like we did before. Remove the liner of the foam tape. And then I am going to stick one frame on which I have already connected the acetate sheet, and just stick it with the foam tape. And the shaker heart is ready. Very pretty. Now on the edge of this heart frame, I am going to adhere half cut pearls in white color to decorate the edge of the heart. And this is done. Now I'm taking white color card base which measures 30 by 12 centimeters. I have just folded this in half, and now I'm adding one pattern paper on top of this. Then on all four sides I am adding these golden colored paper strips in cross manner. Similarly, adhere one strip here and one strip in the bottom. So this is done. Now I am adding our shaker heart exactly in the center, little bit on upper side. And then here I have some handmade paper flowers. These are simple paper flowers. You can use quilling flowers as well. And sticking these two flowers in the bottom, also adding some leaves. Then adding the sentiment "You are special" in the bottom. Like this. Then I am taking Nuvo crystal drops and adding some drops here and there just to decorate it little more. You can also use sequences. And the beautiful card is ready. So both the cards are done, and these are super quick and super easy using Kirigami technique. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.